Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to fix your Spotify's online mode not working. If you're having trouble with your Spotify's offline mode not working, don't worry. Here's how to fix it fast. Make sure your songs on Spotify are actually downloaded and actually downloaded. Look for the green arrow next to your music. If it's not there, nothing is saved offline. Check your phone storage. Spotify needs enough space to store offline tracks, so free up some storage if it's low. Now log out and log back into Spotify, and then this refreshes your account and often fixes offline issues. Now clear Spotify's cache or reinstall the app if the problem persists. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Spotify. Then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now if that also didn't help, go ahead and just delete your app from the phone and reinstall it with all the latest files and improvements. Now follow these steps and your Spotify offline mode should be working. I hope this video helped you get back into your Spotify's offline mode. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next